Hi guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious chicken soup. So guys, this is my mother's recipe. With addition with one ingredient, it takes the chicken soup to the next level. So here are the ingredients that I used in this recipe. I have my eggplant. You can use garden eggs, my tomatoes, onion, and what I have in this bowl is a mixture of ginger, onion, garlic, rosemary, and anise. So that is what I have blended in that. I have here my okra, which is optional. I have my basils. I have my pepper, and then have Maggi stock cube and have bouillon, chicken bouillon stock cube. My mother will always know use a lot of seasoning spices in her soups, and what I have in that bowl is a mixture of tomato paste. So I have about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste that I added some water to it to make it watery. Guys, I'll make sure that I leave everything that I use in the descriptive box. So what I have here is I have mackerel in tomato sauce. You can use my sardine tomato sauce. You can use any brand of your choice, but that will do the magic. So this is my chicken. It's already on fire. So what I did is that I marinated the chicken with salt, only salt, for about 2 hours. You can do it for overnight. Sometimes I do it overnight, and guys, it's yummy. That is what my mom taught me. She said you can only marinate your chicken with salt, and then the chicken will taste nice. So at this time I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions. That is the chopped onion. So I just added it in, and I'm going to cover it for some time, for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then we will continue. So it's been about 5 to 8 minutes. Now this time I'm going to add in my spices, that is the stock cube, to it, and then cover it once more. I'll give it a stir. Before I cover it, stir it very well, and then I will make sure to taste for salt at this time to see if my chicken it's already been seasoned very well with the salt. So I checked and it's really seasoned very well. I just checked and it's very well seasoned. So I have in here my eggplant, tomatoes, and the onions on fire. So we are boiling that one on fire aside. I just added in my blended onions, ginger, everything that is in it. I will leave everything in the descriptive box, and then I went ahead and then stir it very well to make sure that my chicken is well covered. This is Christmas soup, so that is how my mom does, and it's always very yummy. So at this time I'm going to go ahead and then add in our tomato sauce. When you add it in at this time, guys, it gives your chicken very nice and rich color, and the soup will become very nice, like Christmassy color. You know how what I mean. So I'll go ahead and then add in the sauce from my sardine in tomato sauce. You can use mackerel in tomato sauce, geisha, any one that you have. So I'll go ahead and then add the sauce in, and then I'll give it a stir, and you know all the goodness in the sardine, the tomato sauce on the sardine and everything is going to penetrate into your chicken, and then guys, it will give it the magic. So this is the magic. If you haven't tried this, go ahead and try it, adding some of this to your soup. And then so after that I just stirred it and let it be on fire for about 10 minutes, and then I went ahead and added in my blended mixture, the one that I showed you guys earlier. So I added everything in, and then I add water to my taste. Yeah, I added water to like the level that I want my soup to be. So I went ahead and added water to watch. I want, how I want my soup, the measurement that I want, and I gave it a step. And at this time, you have to taste for salt to see if your soup is like seasoned very well, if every like the soup tastes really nice. Don't wait for the soup to be ready before you add salt to it. So I went ahead and add in my basil, my whole pepper for extra spiciness, and then I added in the meat to it. So guys, it's cooked for about 35 minutes now, and this is how my soup is looking like. Already looking delicious, guys. I bet you this soup was super delicious and everybody loved it. So this is it. So if you love this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave your comment, give me a like and share. Thank you guys so much. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.